Hi guys, get ready with me to go on a podcast. Okay, so I got my hair done and I'm really bad with liner, so I got my liner done as well. This is going to be a quick one because I don't know how I was on time but suddenly I'm late. But yeah, some serum and I'm gonna put another. Oh, my hands are all slippery. This is Charlotte Tilbury's magic serum. So it's a podcast, but then it's like a video podcast. That's the new thing. I mean, you can hear it as well if you don't want to watch it, but then there'll be an interview which is going to be on YouTube as well. So I'm doing this after not quite a bit, but yeah, definitely a little bit. And today I'll be using my moisturizer, which is also it's the Magic Cream by Charlotte Tilbury. It's a good one. Okay, last but not the least is sunblock, and yes, I'm applying it after the moisturizer and whatever you guys said. So yeah. Okay, so my mom, she loves this hair on me and she was very happy that I got this done. I personally do not like a proper hairdo, लेकिन उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. She's